Northwest Detroit on Warren Avenue by Southfield Freeway. And the van, is going to get its first real car wash and vacuum inside and out real good. I'm going to put that. Okay, let me put these hats. I don't know pretty slow today for a nice day out. Yesterday it rained all day. Okay, well, Tita, I want to thank you for sending me the car wash money. So this video is for you. Thank you very much. Alright, bye. I'm going to videotape more inside. Alright, bye. Maybe I can videotape even going up there. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. I could probably videotape going into it, getting up there. I wonder if they want me to put my, because I have double car mats. Whoa. The police is putting on the sirens to go out of the car wash. How funny is that? Okay. Let's see which one I'm gonna get. Exterior wash, full service. Exterior vacuum, front mats, dust, steering column, vacuum, floors, clean all windows. Yep, I'm gonna get that. So it's $16. Okay. It's a full service wash. Okay. Yeah. They actually did the seats. Hi. I just got it. I just got the van in March, so this is its first real washing.
Right. I figured I'd give a picture in there too.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you.
Now you know who I am.
What's your name?
Carl.
Carl, mine's Tina. My friend Steve Elliott works in your detail shop.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep. All right, I'll talk with you guys later.
All right. Cool bolt. That's cool. They probably think I'm weird. Oh, Tiger Stadium. Here it comes.
They got an intense system in here. It's gonna feel like it's drowning. Like, help! Get me out of here! What the hell? Either that or enjoys it. Actually at work. That's pretty cool. Alright. Alright. Here's the van on clean. Oh yeah, they did a good job. Or it did a good job. Oh, yeah. Alright, I got the Uber app on, so I better stop recording. I'm going to show you where I used to live. This would have been my first house that I bought back in '99 in Piedmont. Oh, and people are out. Well, people are not out. That little house right there, 6496. That was my house. I bought that in '99. Lost it in 2007. I didn't notice that my car already went over 50,000 miles. So this is about as close as I can get it. Look at it. The van has 50,000 miles. 50,007. Yep. It needs an oil change. It's gonna need an oil change. I put 8,000 miles on it. In the last, since I've had it, March 22nd or so. Yeah. And today is June 2nd. Okay. Bye. Is this non-Uberish? Okay, of course I'm at Walmart. I got a mattress pad for my futon. I got milk. I got a pair of leggings. And I'm about to go pick up the minivan from its first oil change at Walmart. I got here super early. Okay. You're not gonna tell me what it took? What did it take? Sir? They're done. There's no one here. Hi. There's no one here. There you are. Okay. I went shopping.
Okay.
That's just my water bottle.
You got your ticket, man?
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So is it 7,000?
Yeah. Yeah. 7,000, 7,500. Yeah.
No. I just gotta know. Okay, Archie. Awesome.
Yes, ma'am.
So they do the windshield washer fluid
Yeah,
and
they
the air
cut that.
pressures and all that. All right, cool. All right, thank you. All right, if this car is, if the oil changes are every 7,000 miles, and why they put 53? That don't make sense. He's telling me one thing and the sticker says something else. See, 53,400 and something. 61, maybe. Yeah, they're telling me one thing and doing another. Again, story of my life.